Welcome back to La Vie Flottante. We full-time living in our Tiffin motor coach since 2015. It has been doing good to us. Didn't have major issues, just some things that we had to fix. We try to fix things on the RV ourselves, and we always make videos when we repair things or done by professionals. It's a good way for us to remember how to fix it, in case we might need to do it again, especially when we are traveling on the road, cannot find the RV tech in time. If you want to fix things in your RV but don't know how to, watch our videos. We are not RV tech savvy. If we can do it, so can you. Subscribe to our channel now, and you also need to click the bell so you will get our new RV repair videos. So this time, we are going to replace our kitchen faucet because the water pipe started leaking. So we bought this Kohler kitchen faucet. Kohler is an American company, and their products are high quality. They also provide lifetime limited warranty for the faucet.
The reason you buy the shutoff valve is in case you want to do repairs later down the road. It'll make it easier to shut the water off so you don't have any leaks. And don't be surprised if you have to go back to the store 3 times to get the right part.
We empty the space underneath the sink and get to work. I remove all faucet set and put in new ones. That's the easy part. Now we need to connect the water pipes. That's the fun part. Our handyman, Mark, will take over to finish the job. We try to film how to put the pipes and the valves together, but it's hard to position the camera in such a small space. So the key point here is to make sure that the valves are tied to the pipes. Okay, all done. Let's see if Mark did a good job. Hey, test run. Water is running and no leaks.
So stay tuned to La Vie Flottante for more repairs because this coach is old and we're going to have a lot of them. See you later. Next time. Bye-bye.
Next time we are going to repair the little awning above the door because we can't retract it. We continue to produce informative videos to benefit fellow RVers on how to repair things on RV. Subscribe and click the bell now to get notification on our next RV repair video.